today we're going to be making ice pops because I know it's been really hot lately. So what you're going to need is 3/4 of a cup measuring cup, a plain cup that you would probably drink in, and a Ziploc bag. I have these little rubber bands here, but you can probably use like string. And then your favorite juice that you want to make ice pops with. So I'm going to begin by opening up my Ziploc bag. I like to use Ziploc bags because I actually don't have any ice cube trays. That's another way you can make ice pops, but like I said, I don't have any ice cube trays at my house, so this is a different way you can make it. So now I have my bag in here. I opened it up, placed it in the cup. The cup is just there to help me when I pour the juice in. So now I'm going to be using my measuring cup, pouring my juice. Okay. Perfect. Now I'm going to carefully take my Ziploc bag out. You're going to want to try to close your Ziploc bag and take out as much air as possible from the bag. So usually I close it up, but then I leave like this much space so I can close it up and try to take out all that air. Okay. Then I'm going to want to kind of tilt my bag so all the juice is kind of on one corner. And then I'm going to grab my little rubber band, tie it up here, and I'm going to end up with it looking like this. So it almost looks like a little piping bag that you would use for when you're decorating a cake. So yeah, now I'm gonna stick this in the freezer for more than 6 hours, and then after the 6 hours are up, you are ready to eat your ice pop. So the 6 hours are up, and I actually froze it overnight. So it had lots of time to freeze, and basically what I'm going to do is grab a pair of scissors, cut off the edge of my Ziploc bag, and now I have this little entry so I can begin to enjoy my ice pop. It is super easy, super fast and fun, and perfect for a hot day.